All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. Now, a while ago, we did those amazing smoked oxtails, braised in beer, absolutely amazing. You guys loved it. So today, I'm gonna show you how to transform them into the ultimate cheese on toast. We are making smoked oxtails on toast, covered in lovely Comté and vintage cheddar, and then we're gonna top that off with a little drizzle of that incredible oxtail sauce. Guys, this is proper X-rated. It is so good. So come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, I've got the oxtails here. Now they've been in the fridge, and as you can see, you've got all that sauce, which is pure jelly. That's exactly what we're looking for here. A little bit of fat there. So what we do need to do, guys, is reheat them nice and gently. So I've got a pan on here, gentle heat. Let's get a few of those oxtails in. And what we're going to see is that jelly is going to turn back into its liquid state. Now, what will happen is that it will evaporate quite quickly. So let's pop a lid on that, really nice and gentle. And we're going to take our time just to reheat those oxtails, but we want to keep as much of that sauce as possible. And guys, if it does kind of reduce down too much, don't worry about it. Just add a little splash of water and that will be absolutely fine. Now for our cheese, we're going to do a blend of two cheeses. So I've got some wonderful Comté here. That is a wonderful melting cheese. It's got a lovely pronounced flavor from its washed rind. And then we've got some great vintage cheddar. That's got all these lovely salt crystals in them as well from the way it's been aged. And oh, trust me, guys, putting these two together, you've got the great melting quality and then the punch of that vintage cheddar. Okay, let's have a look at these oxtails. Right, they're coming back up to temperature really nicely. Again, take your time with this. We don't want them boiling away. And we're just going to baste over some of that sauce so we get that lovely sticky glaze all over them as well. Now, guys, you can use whatever bread you want it for. There's sourdough, multi-grain, whatever that's going to be. But what I would recommend, just cut that on the angle. That way you have a wider surface to get more oxtail on there. But before we do that, let's throw that in the toaster and we just want to lightly toast it. Right, those oxtails are looking absolutely incredible. Grab a couple of forks and we're going to pull all that meat off that bone and then we can just shred that up a little bit. Right, we've got our toast. Now we're not going to use any butter or olive oil on there. I mean, we've got so much fat in the oxtails and the cheese, we really don't need any more fat on that. So let's grab a spoon and pile on a whole load of that beautiful oxtail. Now let's sprinkle over some of that lovely cheese and let's get that under the grill or the broiler until it's bubbling and melted. Look at these guys, they look absolutely incredible. Right, let's get them on a plate. We're going to garnish that with some arugula or rockets, a nice dollop of Dijon mustard, and a few cornichons. And now to finish it off and make this dish even more incredible, we're going to pour over some of that amazing sticky oxtail sauce. Guys, look at this. I honestly don't think this could get any better. I've got to tell you, right, when I did the smoked oxtails in beer, this is what I was thinking about. This was an idea I had for a recipe and I am so pleased to do it. So anyway, it's just heaven. Let's dive in. Oh man. Oh, I don't need to say a thing. Oxtails, that amazing sauce that goes with it, a little bit of mustard and cornichon. Oh my word. And then There's wonderful, wonderful vintage cheddar and Comté. Guys, I'm a very happy man. Give us a thumbs up, get in the comments, let me know what you think. Love hearing from you. And guys, this is A1 spectacular. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. Take care, see you next week, bye-bye. Whoa, hang on, mate. If you enjoyed this video, I've got 3 options for you. Check out the Kitchen Daddy website over here, subscribe to our YouTube channel right here, and then check out another Kitchen Daddy video right by here. But why not be a legend and do all 3?